You just finished a brutal hike. You're tired, hungry, and freezing. You pull out your stove, and it takes forever to boil water. Nothing kills a camping trip faster than weak gear when you actually need it. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 best backpacking stoves you can buy right now. From super ultralight options to absolute performance monsters. And trust me, number 1 is in a league of its own. Let's dive in. Starting at number 5, the Snow Peak LiteMax. This thing is ridiculously tiny. You can literally toss it in your pack and forget it's there. But don't let the size fool you. It still puts out a surprisingly strong flame that boils water fast enough for coffee or dehydrated meals. The best part? Pure simplicity. Screw on the canister, light it, and you're cooking in seconds. Titanium build keeps it ultralight, but still tough enough for regular use. If you're a minimalist trying to shave every gram without losing cooking ability, the LiteMax is hard to beat. Number 4, the Soto WindMaster. This stove was built to fight wind, and it wins. Most compact stoves die in a breeze. Not this one. The clever burner design keeps the flame stable even when conditions get rough. That means faster boils and way better fuel efficiency when it actually matters. The ignition is reliable, the performance is consistent, and it feels more premium than its weight suggests. If you camp in unpredictable weather, this stove is a game changer. Number 3. The MSR PocketRocket Deluxe. This is the sweet spot between ultralight and actually usable. It's still light enough for serious backpacking, but packed with smart features that make cooking way more enjoyable. The pressure regulator keeps the flame strong even in cold weather or at high elevation. The burner spreads heat evenly, so no more annoying hotspots. Push-button ignition, precise simmer control, super easy setup. It's compact enough for solo trips, but capable enough for real meals. For most backpackers, this is the perfect all-rounder. Number 2, the Jetboil MiniMo. This isn't just a stove, it's a complete cooking system. And once you use it, regular stoves start feeling old school. The insulated cup keeps heat in and your hands safe. The wider pot makes actual cooking, like pasta, oatmeal, or soups, much easier. Best part? Excellent simmer control. You're not stuck with full blast or nothing. Boil times are blazing fast, fuel efficiency is excellent, and the whole system just feels refined. If you value speed and comfort on the trail, the MiniMo is seriously hard to beat. But taking the number 1 spot, the MSR Reactor stove system. This thing is an absolute beast. Cold weather, heavy wind, high altitude. Situations that destroy most stoves barely slow this one down. The integrated heat exchanger is insanely efficient. It boils water ridiculously fast while sipping fuel. The enclosed burner design completely protects the flame from wind. When it's ugly out there and you need hot food or water right now, the Reactor just delivers. It packs down smaller than you'd expect for how powerful it is. Yes, it's expensive, but for serious mountaineers, winter campers, or anyone who needs reliability when it counts, this is the king. So let me ask you, which one are you taking into the wild? The ultralight Snow Peak? The windproof Soto? The versatile PocketRocket? The fast Jetboil? Or the unstoppable MS Reactor? Drop your choice in the comments. All the links are in the description if you want to check current prices or specs. If you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that like button, subscribe for more real outdoor gear reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.